time, 2-minute cartoon.
A beautiful story, Elia the Elephant. In a faraway land lived a young elephant named Elia. Elia had a dream to touch the stars in the night sky. Every evening, she'd gaze up her heart filled with wonder. One day, she shared her dream with wise old owl William. William smiled and said,
"Reaching the stars might be tough, but you can create your own stars right here on the ground."
Excited Elia asked how.
By being kind, helping others, and making people smile, you can become a shining star in their lives.
Taking William's advice to heart, Elia helped her friends, cheered up sad animals, and spread joy. Over the time, her kindness sparkled, and she felt like a true star. And though Elia never touched the stars in the sky, but her bright spirit lit up the whole land. She learned that making a difference in the world was a journey of the heart, and she became a guiding light for everyone.